Hello, friends. All of us know that Python is a great language, but there is only one drawback in Python, that is the speed issue. Python does not have the equal or sufficient speed as C or C++. That is only one drawback in Python. So, if we convert the Python files through Cython to PYD file, which is usually called the Cythonize, then we can get the speed as C or C++. But think, if we have 10 or 20 Python files, then convert the Python files to PYD files using C or C++, which is called Cythonize, is a very difficult task and time consuming task. That's why I built one Python file. Please follow my cursor. That is build to pyd.py. It will convert all Python files, 10 or 20 or 100, all Python files in the same folder to .pyd files through C or C++, that is called Cythonize, in a single click. Now I am showing how it works. Please follow my cursor. See what I am doing. Terminal, new terminal. See Python space build to pyd.py. That is here, build to pyd.py. Python space build to pyd.py space the names of all Python files in the same folder. Just now we have to hit the enter once. Now see how it converts the only one Python file, how it converts all Python files into PYD files through C++ using a using only one single click. It is converting all Python files to PYD files so that we can get the similar speed of C++ or C, which will solve the problems, speed regarding problems in Python. It is automatically converting. Please have a patience. It will finish the task very shortly. Now done. Now you can see here, one second please, group by type. You can see here all PYD files through C++. Here is all Python files, and here is all PYD files for each Python files. So now there is no requirement for all Python files. We can safely delete all. Now through these PYD files, we can get the same speed as C++. I have built this PYD file maker, batch file maker, to help the professional programmers who want to use the same speed of C or C++ in their Python project. This batch file maker, this Cythonize PYD file maker will help programmers to save their valuable time. That's all. Thank you, friends.